The focus of this video is tightening, toning, and firming the inner thigh. Start by dry brushing this area. You can always dry brush the entire body and then just focus on the inner thigh with gua sha. Apply the aura activator and the aura oil and thoroughly massage it into the skin. Reach for your aura stone and use 2 hands and drag from the knee towards the groin with firm pressure over the entire inner thigh. This area can be quite sore for some, so just make sure that you're listening to your body. I like to do several passes in this area and also work on the entire thigh. I'm doing this video in real time, so you have an idea of how many passes I would do on just my inner thigh if I was focusing on it. I'm now going to use the wavy edge in a different way. Hold it perpendicular to the skin and go top to bottom, back and forth across the inner thigh. The action of this feels slightly different and breaks up the fascia on the inner thigh in a different way. Finally, I'm going to switch to the rounded end of the stone and do several strokes towards the groin to clear for lymphatic drainage.